Oh! Jesus. My God. I mean, need a new roof before this. Oh my God.
I want to go get one.
My poor car.
Oh my God, there's one. There's a whole piece right there. I want to go get it.
You're nuts. Don't even think about it. You get whacked in the head. I'm not driving to the hospital tonight.
One needs to lay closer.
Did you look out in the front yard?
Yeah. Holy cow. I'm sorry, I had to leave. You think my umbrella will be okay if it gets hit?
No. Do you see what's doing? I go through the umbrella. It's like somebody's dropping rocks. If I can hear him zinging, I'm not going out in that. I'm sorry.
You guys see it? Yeah, stay right there, okay? Do you see him? See the hail hitting the lake?
Yeah.
It's about this big.
Oh my God. Jeez, I'm on the way. Is that?
That's not snow, that's ice. It's giant ice rocks.
Yeah, if that hit you in the head, would probably kill you.
See, there was a giant glasses. There's volleyball size? Oh my God. See? It's bad out. You probably. Let me see you now.
You can see Camden watch it hit the lake.
See that giant one? What? Are we safe? Look.
As long as you guys are like right there.
I saw a piece of fun dog. Let's eat. Oh, God. What? That thing's huge. What thing?
Can you see it?
Mike, you.
I'm standing under this. I'm not getting any closer.
Yeah,
Jesus. Oh my God, that was volleyball size. Yeah. Whoa! Mike, you better call the cameraman really quick. Yes!
We're gonna need a new house. It's gonna knock it down.
Yes, please!
No, not really. Yes, please. We don't want a new house.
Whoa! It's raining out. Let me see, guys. Inhaling out. And whoa! Eddie, where'd you have that? Oh!
Hey, don't come out.
Oh, God. No, that guy has a point.
Did the hail make stop it?
Let's hope. No.
Oh, hey, move it.
Wow.
Look, it's all I can see. I'm moving.
That's smaller hail.
Move it.
Wow, that was a big thump. I want this on video so that way when you run out there and get whacked in the head, I can put it on YouTube.
Darwin Awards.
Yeah, Darwin Awards.
Mom,
What?
somebody's going out there.
I'm gonna wait till the hail stops and then I'll go out and get one for you.
Hey, let me see, guys. Let me see women, Dad.
I'll go put the bike helmet on.
Yeah, motorcycle helmet.
I'll go get one.
No, that's all right.
No, guys, no.
Oh yeah, this ought to be good.
They're not falling anymore, are they?
Yeah, there's a big giant one.
Oh,
Yeah, they're still falling.
wow, that's big.
I was
Wow.
I want to wait. There's that one right there.
I know, I see it. There was a giant one that landed out where the fence comes together out there.
Loki, show for us. Sissy. We want to be on TV. Sissy. Oh, look what that guy just did. There's a giant hail out.
There's a lot of hail out there, isn't there?
Loki, show that. Oh God, that thing was just huge. Hey, Loki. Loki.
What?
Wonder if it's gonna stop? Cause
It's like
how
speeding
does
back
it
up
never
again.
stop? Apple. I think so. What? Whoa! Whoa!
No, don't you guys come outside.